Hi, I am Mr. Paul and you are watching Easy Talk. In Jammu and Kashmir, controversy is continuing. Opposition are concerned. They are speak out all the times that abrogation of 370 it was very bad effect in Jammu and Kashmir, but actually it not happen in Jammu and Kashmir because people of there they are very peace, serenity, tranquility in the present time now. They are going to the shopping, they are going to the field, they working. But in past time, what is actually happened? There was stone pillars, there was terrorism activity demonstrated in every time. Here is bomb busting, here is a shootout. So this type of incident are happened in past time. But after abrogation of 370 in Jammu and Kashmir, there was very peace, serenity, and tranquility, and security concern is very high, very alert. The soldier they are very concerned, and in this election after abrogation of 370 this is the first election in Jammu and Kashmir, and people are very happy. They casting their vote, and after long time they casting their vote. But you know in previous time there was not vote till then, because all the time terrorists are there, the voted is not the properly doing. But in now, because there was 370, and 370 means Jammu and Kashmir have another law fulfilled by his own, and they are never undertaken by the government. But in after union territory of Jammu and Kashmir, they are now under the central government, and they have not different rule. That is the main problem. What is the main problem? The Congress spoke out that no, it's the snatch to Jammu and Kashmir. Their right to be snatched, their law to be snatched by the BJP. But actually, that's not happened. In long time, there was 370, and it was the partial to the government of Congress. So that's why they are being very interesting way to speak out that what is actually happened in Jammu and Kashmir. That's not fair, because it's the going to their vote to decrease their vote, to decrease their support, and because people are happy in present time now. In this time they never see this type of happen, and this type of kindness, this type of peace. So that's why people are very happy and peaceful.